Have you ever wondered how a simple grain of wheat becomes a soft, delicious loaf of bread? Let's discover the fascinating journey of bread. Everything begins in the wheat fields. Farmers grow and harvest ripe wheat, which is then collected and transported to flour mills. At the flour mill, wheat is cleaned and ground into fine flour, the most important ingredient for making bread. The flour is mixed with water, yeast, salt, and sometimes sugar or oil. Together, these ingredients create a soft dough. Kneading develops gluten, a natural protein that gives bread its soft texture and helps it rise. The dough rests in a warm place. Yeast feeds on sugars and releases carbon dioxide, making the dough rise and become fluffy. After rising, the dough is divided and shaped into loaves, buns, or rolls before baking. Inside hot ovens, the dough expands one last time. Heat creates a crispy crust while keeping the inside soft and airy. Freshly baked bread is cooled, sliced, and carefully packed to keep it fresh for customers. From golden wheat fields to your breakfast table, every loaf of bread is the result of science, farming, and skilled craftsmanship. Now you know how bread is made.